everybody, this is Rusty Rick making another video for you guys. Today we're going to be doing some block sanding on the driver door of the 58 Plymouth. It's got the 2K primer on there, and then I sprayed it with some guide coat to help us block it out, and then got the black diamond block with a 180 grit. So we're basically just going to start block sanding, and hopefully it all comes out good for us. Our block sanding, you want to go all different directions so you make sure you get your high and low spots worked out. When you're doing this, make sure you wear a mask of some sort. It's not the best stuff to be breathing. For the video here, probably wouldn't be able to hear me if I had a mask on. Looking pretty good though, so far. I took this door down to bare metal and put epoxy primer on it, and did what little body work I needed to do, and then whenever it was high build here, 2K, get everything leveled out and worked out, and won't be long to be ready to paint it. Like I said before, this is going to be a just team build, so be all painted red with a white top. Yeah, it's starting to sand out pretty nice. I don't see no low spots or high spots anywhere over there. Here along the top now. Paper keeps clogging up a little bit, just pat it off and good to go again. Yeah, like I said, make sure if you guys are doing this, wear a mask. Well, you don't breathe all this stuff. Always wear one, but for this video, figure probably better not to.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. Bring the camera over a little closer for you guys to see a little bit better, but basically, for most part, a little bit around the edges a little bit, but it's pretty much block sanded with guide coat to 180. What I'll end up doing is getting the fender done. That's ready to do too. I don't want to keep you guys watching just block sanding, because I know it's not very fun, but basically I'll get this fender all block sanded to 180, and if there ain't no issues, which shouldn't be, and then I'll guide coat it again and go to 220, and then after 220 it should be about ready to paint. So where it got the top of the car block sanded down to 180, looks really good. Just want to get all the other parts, pieces here down to that point, because once we get all this done, we're going to disassemble the front end and the doors, paint them off the car. Then we get the quarters and stuff finished up. We'll paint the top white, and then we'll paint the rest of the car red before we put the doors and fenders and stuff back on. But yeah, so I just wanted to make a video doing some block sanding for you guys, and that way you see how I block sand. But so yeah, I'll grab the camera here, bring it in a little closer so you guys can see. But you can see there, all block sanded out pretty nice. So basically just gotta guide coat it one more time and go to 220, and should be about ready to paint that door. But yeah, put this back on here. But anyway, there's a video of doing some block sanding on the 58 Plymouth driver door. So I just wanted to make a video doing that, and mind you guys to like and subscribe to our channel, help us grow, and plus get a chance to win the $100 gift card once we reach 1,000 subscribers. But I think that'll be all for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.